want to take a couple minutes today to share my favorite grooming tool with you. It's the shedding rake. I just want you to take this. Doesn't look real exciting, but it does a fantastic job. And no time flat. How much hair you can get out of a, well, it seems to be a relatively well-groomed dog, and no time flat. It just takes seconds, but it does a fantastic job. Gets out all that, hold still, gets out all that loose coat your dog's shedding. And again, it's called the shedding rake. And here's what it looks like after about 3-4 minutes of brushing. And a good bit of it's even blown away from with the wind. Since I've been out here, it's a little bit breezy. But anyway, this will give you some idea of what the shedding rake can do in no time flat. Thanks a lot.